Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami 3D pyramid Christmas tree. And what it is, it's just basically a pyramid that got pleat sunk. And yeah, and it's really cool, and it does look like a Christmas tree too. And it can be a bowl. You can put stuff inside there. And yeah, and it stands. Alright, and now I'm going to teach you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here it goes. Okay, so for this Christmas tree pyramid, that can be a container. I used a 10-inch square of kami, but instead of red, I'm going to show you how to fold it from a sheet of green, because Christmas trees are green. But you could also use a sheet of burnt paper cut square. So let's begin with the right side up, and we're going to fold in half. We're going to make a water bomb base. Now this is a rather challenging model, in particular making the final pleats of the Christmas tree is really challenging, so if you're new to folding, I don't know if I recommend trying this model first. But if you're up for the challenge, let's continue. So unfold and fold in half like this. We're making a water bomb base. Okay, and I'll fold the top. This is my favorite way of making the water bomb base. Turn over and fold this up. And now open the pocket, bring the sides together, and flatten. Like that. Okay, and now just take this side, this edge, and fold it to the middle. Now turn over like this and fold this edge to here. Okay, now turn the page like this, and turn over and turn the page on this side too, like this. We're just folding that flap over. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. And turn over like this and fold this edge to here. Okay, like this. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, and now we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these 4 flaps sticking up. So how we're going to do that? Well, look inside here, and we're going to tuck them inside. So just fold it over the edge, like this. And crease that nice and sharp too. Okay, and now turn the page like this, turn over, and turn the page here. And repeat. So, fold it inside like this. And and by the way, whenever we fold the flaps over like this, like I just showed, like when I said turn the page, that's really important, by the way. So do make sure you do that when you're doing this. So that way when you tuck them inside, you're doing it the right way. Okay, so yeah, and we're gonna do it on this side too. Okay, and now turn this page, and same here. Or you don't even have to turn the page, you can just open it up like this and do it. Like this. And now, reflatten it like this. So if you did that correctly, this is what it should look like. So this should be like a pyramid shape. But if it doesn't look like a pyramid shape, like if these 2 points are locked together or something, that means you tucked them in like in the wrong direction or something. But just undo it and tuck them in like until you get a pyramid shape like this. Okay, so an aim like this is pretty cool. This is a pyramid. You can open it up like it's a deployable pyramid. You can make it stand on a table or a desk or something like that. And yeah, and this might be a nice Christmas tree too. But I'm going to show you how to make it look more like a Christmas tree. So here we go. So I'm going to show you how to make the pleats. And this is the hard part, so do this at your own risk. So here we go. So make sure it's flat again. Okay. And now we're going to divide this into 8. To fold to the top like this. And the paper does get thick right here. But crease as sharp as you can. Unfold, and now fold to the crease you just made. Yeah, if you're using like printer paper or something, this might be pretty thick. I didn't fold this model out of printer paper cut square yet, but I imagine it'll probably work though. It'll just be a little bit more difficult to make because of the thickness of the paper. Okay, and fold this edge to here. Maybe after I end this video, I'll try and make one out of printer paper cut square. And then I'll do a short of it. Alright, so we divide it into 4. Now, let's divide it into 8. So, take this edge and fold it to the nearest crease. Like this. Unfold and now fold it to the last crease. Okay, unfold, rotate, and let's just refold this down like this so you can see this better. And take this point and fold it to these edges, which marks that crease. Okay, and actually, we don't. You don't actually have to fold this corner to the nearest crease. That's actually not necessary. So actually, instead of 8, we actually divided it into 7. So yeah. So I actually meant to say 7, not 8. But it probably wouldn't hurt though if you fold it to the crease. You'll just end up with an extra crease, that's all. So this triangle without the crease, that's going to be the top of the Christmas tree. Maybe I'll try and design an origami star to put on it. Okay, so now to make the collapsing easier, let's reverse all the creases. You just run your fingernail over them like this, just to get them loosened up so you can reverse them. Alright, now let's just go and start reversing them so they're genderless. I'm going to speed up this footage a little bit so it's not so boring to watch. Okay, like this. Alright, and I guess they're genderless enough. And now, here's the challenging part. We're gonna make the pleats of the tree. So we're gonna open the pyramid up like this. And it's tricky because these are closed sinks. They're not exactly open sinks. So, see here we're back to the base. And now we're just gonna go just close sink, not along all the creases, but here I'll show you first. So let's start on the bottom. So this outer square of creases are going to be mountain folds. So let's go ahead and make a mountain folds. There we go. And now we're basically going to close sink this, so we're going to make this crease align with that crease and all the way around too. So this is what's going on in the corner here. See? Just bring that crease up to the next crease. Don't worry about what's going on under here. That's the inside of the tree. You don't need to worry about that part. Okay, like this. So that's what it looks like right there. See? And this is challenging. So if you're having trouble with this, I don't blame you. This is a tough step. I mean, no, closed sinks are not easy anyway. I actually heard closed sinks are one of the most challenging folds in origami. Because you have to like crumple the paper to do them, and it's, yeah. Okay, there we go. And that's what it should look like. So yeah, if you're able to do that, well, good job. But we're gonna do a few more of those. Okay, so now we're gonna do it with this crease, this square now. There we go. You can just kind of just make them mountains like this. Just pinch them. That way the mountain folds are already there. And here we go, same thing. You can just kind of take this part and just push it down like this a little bit to get it started.
Alright, and I just got this one. And there it is. There's the second one. And now we're going to do one more. So on this crease, or that square this time, I'm not going to pinch them out in folds because I'm just going to... Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to do that. I actually recommend you pinch them out in folds first. That probably makes it a little bit easier. Even though they're generalists, but still. Okay, now I'm going to take the top and I'm just going to push it down like this. Just enough so it gets that fold started. There we go. This is challenging. I'm probably going to say this is an intermediate model. So it's not an easy model, but pretty cool though. Yeah, and once you did that, just shape everything to taste, and that looks pretty good to me actually. And there is your Christmas tree pyramid. So yeah, I think it's a really cool model. So yeah, there it is. I'll bring this so it's like a Christmassy background, red and green. I think it's pretty cool. This can be like a container. You can put something inside there. Alright. Well, if you managed to fold this, well, congratulations. And I like to see a demo of it. So yeah, and if you weren't able to fold it, well, it's a challenging model, but just give it another shot, and hopefully it'll make it successfully. So there it is. Well, hope you guys were able to do that and enjoy showing your friends. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you later. Alright, bye-bye.